兄姊妹，当我们在地上追求，我们以为的 better life。So,
brothers and sisters, when we are pursuing, and we think we're pursuing a better life,
把我们累得不得了。
and that we're exhausted.
我记得我很小的时候看，应该是天路历程的因为它有很多版本哈，就是我看到其中一个里面有一个插图。
And when I was reading the Pilgrim's Progress when I was a kid, I remember seeing a particular image or a picture in that book.
那个插图我现在找不到，我去 Google search 找不到。
And I try to find that exact picture that I saw when I was a kid. I cannot find it, no matter how I search for it.
他故事里面讲到有一个人有一天在那个地上还是垃圾捡到一个戒指，还是捡到一个金币啊。
And the story goes as a man finds a particular ring or a coin as he was on his journey.
从那天开始
And from that particular day,
他都是弯着腰走路。
he started walking with his head looking on the ground.
他希望再找到一个。
He wants to find another coin.
所以走着1年过去，2年过去，3年过去，他变成驼背了。
And so after a year, after 2 years, after 3 years, he became a hunchback.
但是呢，这个图上呢，顶上有一个金冠冕。
But above his head, you see this golden crown.
这个 pilgrim， 这个天路客，被地吸引了。
This pilgrim, the one who's on a heavenly journey, he's now drawn his gaze to the ground.
为了在这地上得到一点东西，忘记了神给我们预备的那个属天的荣耀。
And in order to gain that one, find another coin on the ground, he's forgotten the golden crown that is above his head.
因为我找不到那个图，我自己做了一个给你们看。
So I couldn't find that picture, so I created one myself.
那这个是背着重担的人，好。
And this is a person with a heavy load, a burden on his back.
并不是在找金子的人。
He's not searching for a gold coin.
弟兄姊妹，在这个地上真的是劳苦担重担的世界。
Brother and sister, we living in this world is a world that is heavily laden.
如果你想要有空再来爱主，有空再来侍奉，我跟你说，世界的王绝对不可能准许你的。
If in your heart and your mind you says that when I have time, when I have the energy to come to love the Lord, I will tell you the kingdom of this world will not allow you to have it.
你永远找不到空，你永远没有空来侍奉主。
You will never find opportunity. You will never find a space and time to serve the Lord.
你所有多出来的时间、力量、金钱，他都把你拿去了。
Everything that is extra in your life, the enemy will come and rob you of it.
尤其现在又发明了这个随身带的小手机，对不
And
对？
particularly now, we know this wonderful invention of a cell phone that we carry with us all the time.
你所有空的时间都被他拿去了。
And every residual time that you have is spent on that thing.
我一直建议弟兄姊妹每天晚上算一下，你至少算2个礼拜，每天晚上算一下，你今天有多少的时间花在神的身上，花在永生的事情上，有多少时间花在今生的事上。
And I ask every brother and sister to put to practice for at least 2 weeks. When you go to bed, before you go to bed, think about how much time, how many of the things that you've done throughout this day that has eternal value.
或是另外一种算法也可以。
Or another way to do your accounting.
你每一天结束的时候，你觉得今天最有成就、最得意的有哪些事情？
And at the conclusion of that day, what are the things that you're most proud of? The things that you feel that I done something that is of worth.
就像一个人开了一个商店，每天晚上回来数钱，今天赚了多少钱啊？
Just like someone who's opening a store, at the closing of the store, every night he's going to count what is his profit.
你每天晚上算一算，你今天得了多少？
So every night, I want to ask everybody, count your profit.
然后有多少的东西是有永恒价值的？
And of all the things that you consider profitable, how many of those things have eternal value?
你说，哎呀，我今天赚了30万，
You said, today I made $300,000.
那是大富翁的钱啊 ，monopoly 的，
This is probably monopoly money
那
for
个
most
钱
of us.
不算数的。
Those money don't count.
你今天跟我说你赚了3亿，我也不会佩服你。
And if you say that I made 3 billion, 30 million, I wouldn't care either.
你说我买的，你说我买的自来水厂，我买的电力公司，你们都玩过嘛哈？买的旅馆没有用。
I bought the General Power. I bought whatever railroads. I bought whatever boardwalk.
我们要的是真的，
It doesn't matter. What we desire is what is real.
可以存留到永远的。
We want things that can endure forever.
弟兄姊妹，如果我们再不醒过来，我们一辈子都在追求今生的东西。
Brother and sister, if we do not wake up, we will forever pursue the things that only sustain this life.
因为世界的王就一直把世界上的东西放在我们的眼前，
Because the king of the world will continue to display the things of this world before you.
让我们所在乎的、所追求的， 所烦恼的都是今生的
So
事
that
情。
everything you care about, everything that you're running after, everything that you're worried about only pertains to this life.